Hey, what's up guys? Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I've made fish soup bee hoon, the healthier version that you can enjoy with your entire family. Check it out. Alright guys, I gotta be honest, I am not a huge fan of fish soup bee hoon. I love bee hoon, I just don't like the idea of it soaking in lots of soup. So to recreate this recipe, I actually went on to try about 3 different fish soups out there to see what is it that I can tweak in the recipe. So I came out with this recipe to make it healthier with lots more protein and lots more veggies, and so it is in line with your goals. So if you want to learn how to recreate a healthier version of fish soup bee hoon without skimping on the flavor and the taste that you are familiar with, then check out what you need in this ingredient list. If you got everything guys, let's get started. This week's video. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you know how to make a healthier version of fish soup bee hoon without skimping on the taste while adding in lots more protein and veggies. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up, and I would appreciate a subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next week with another healthy, cheap and nutritious Asian meal on Thursday. Thank you guys.